So if you've ever been out and about and need Wi-Fi to get onto your laptop or iPad and there's none available, I'm going to show you an easy way to turn your iPhone into a personal hotspot. Let's jump in. So in order to do this, we're just going to go into our settings app, and you'll see it should be towards the top here, Personal Hotspot. We want to click on that. Now at the very top here, you'll see allow others to join. You just want to toggle that on so that you can join that Wi-Fi hotspot. Now it will ask you on the device to allow that or not. So you have the option if somebody sees that and somehow gets your password, you can do that. And then below this, you'll see Wi-Fi password. Now, if this is the first time that you've signed into this, it'll be some generic bunch of numbers and letters to put in there. You can change that to something easy to remember if you just click on that, and then you can delete that and change it to whatever you want. I'm going to pick something super easy. You can make it something a little bit more secure than this. It has to be at least 8 characters, so we'll make it Andy 2025. Okay, then you click done, and that's the password that you'll need to enter. And if you ever forget that, you can always open this back up and see the password there. And then from there, you just want to pull down on the top right-hand corner of your screen to bring in your control panel. And you'll see up in the top left-hand corner all of your connection availability. You click on that. And then where it says Personal Hotspot Discoverable, you want to make sure that that's toggled on. If it says off, that means nobody can see your Wi-Fi, so you want to just toggle that on. And then now I'm just going to hop over to my iPad to show you what that looks like to connect. So once again, we're going to go to the top right-hand corner, and we're going to pull down our control panel here. Again, the top right-hand corner of the screen is where all of your Wi-Fi connections are, so you just want to press and hold that. And then from here in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see the little triangle with the lines on it. That's your Wi-Fi signals. Currently, I'm connected to my home Wi-Fi, but we're just going to click and hold on that. And then it'll list out all of the other Wi-Fi signals in your area. And one of those should be the name of your phone. In my case, it's Andy's iPhone. If you haven't changed that, it'll be some bunch of letters and numbers, but it'll say iPhone. And then we just want to click on that. And then it'll take you into your settings menu here, which will ask you for the password. I'm going to enter in my not so secure password here, and then we're going to click join, and then you see a check mark there next to iPhone, meaning you're on that Wi-Fi. And now I can continue using my iPad or laptop, getting on the internet, doing whatever I need to do, and it's connecting to my phone. Now keep in mind, it will be using the data from your phone to be able to connect that way. And we're just going to hop back over to my iPhone here, and you can see now at the top of the screen there's this little 2 green like chain links that are linked together. That's saying that it's using your personal hotspot. So if we again pull down on the top right hand corner and open up the top left hand corner box where your connections are, open that up, you can see now it says personal hotspot, 1 connection. That is the connection of my laptop. And with that, we're connected. And I can either just tap on that to shut the connection off from my laptop or sign off of it on my iPad. Either way will break that connection. And with that, you're connected to the internet using your phone as a hotspot. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.